Yes, Jesus loves me. All right, so all right, probably walk it up like that. All right, now, all right, and now bring it down there. All right, so hey, this is JD and FIA. We're in the key of G flat. The key doesn't matter for this video because what we want to do is we want to show you how you can just quickly create different chords, a different harmony structure, all right, to play songs. All right, so we're going to look at the melody to Yes, Jesus Loves Me. All right, so we got Yes, Jesus Loves Me. All right, so I'm going 1, 3, 4. If I was in C, it'd be C. All right, 1, 3, 4. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at, say we want to change the melody for that 3. Right there. Say we want to see what all types of different chords. Instead of going from the 1 to the 3 to the 4, just say we want to change that up. So I'm going to show you how you can put any chord just about right there. All you have to do is just associate it. All right, so what we're going to do, first we're going to say, okay, what chords have this B flat in it? Not specific to the key that we're in, just across the piano. What chords have a B flat? All right, so I know a E flat. All right, if I play an E flat, the B flat is the 5th note in E flat. All right. All right. So I could play an E flat chord there instead of playing the B flat chord. So instead of playing that, I can play. All right, or I can bring it up. All right. So that's just by playing, just simply whatever that melody note, whatever chords you're playing, whatever song you're playing, whatever that melody note is, just find other chords that share that same note. So let's look at A flat. If I look at the G sharp A flat chord there, the B flat, all right, is a 2nd up or a 9th. You would look at it as a 9th. All right, 9. All right. So I can play an A flat. Since A flat is in the key of G flat, I play as a minor. I can throw an A flat minor 9 there. All right, just by playing A flat, E flat, A flat, right hand, I'm playing a 4 chord as a major 7. B, D sharp, or I'm sorry, B, E flat, G flat, B flat. All right, so if I was in the key of C, I would be playing D, D, A, and D, and then an F major 7. My right hand, 4 chord. So you're gonna play the 2 in your left hand and the 4 major 7 or whatever key you in your right hand. All right, so if I take that same concept, I have probably walk it up like that. All right, so that's a second different type of chord you can play. So you can play the 3, you can play the 6. All right, what else you can do? Let's find other chords that have that B flat in it. All right, so let's look. D flat. In the key of D flat, the B flat is gonna be a 6 or a 13. All right, so I see if I can throw this chord in. I'm playing D flat, F, and B. And then I'm playing a 1 chord major, 2nd inversion on my right hand, D flat, G flat, B flat. All right, so let's see how that sounds. Try to clean that up. Now, probably what I would do in that situation, instead of playing the D flat like that, I would play the tritone just by playing the F and B. All right, and now I'm gonna change my 4th chord. Instead of playing a root position B major chord, I'm gonna play it inverted, first inversion, D flat, G flat, B. You may have to adjust your chords to make it work. All right, what else I can do? So we got the D flat in there. C. B flat is the 7th in C. All right, so I can play a C7. Now, you might not like that. So what you would do in that situation, you would just play the tritone. So I'm gonna play the E and B flat for C, tritone for C. Bring it down there. So as you can see, you can pretty much throw anything in there. Let's see, if I could throw the B flat is the minor 3rd in G, so maybe I can play a G. Maybe I can throw that G7 in there. Let's see. That'll fall through the tritone. All right, so because it's gonna sound weird, you may like that. Maybe put that E flat there. I don't know, just an idea. So this video is not really about chords, just showing you can almost just go anywhere as long as you can justify it in the chord. All right, so yeah, those are just a few different ideas. Just take that note, the melody, whatever you're playing, whatever song, whatever key, take that melody and then try to find other chords that has that note in it and make it work. All right, so once again, we was able to do go to the A flat and walk it up. We was able to go to the C7, all right? But we're gonna do that tritone and take it to the E flat. All right, so yeah, just play around with it, make it work. But hopefully this video gets your mind just thinking about those types of things. Just want to share a couple of concepts with you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.